Hello keyframe lovers! Welcome to a new chapter of our quick tutorial section. Okay, so you have created a project or animation and want to export it in video format to share it with the world. It is very simple. With the composition that we want to export open, we go to Composition and select Add to Adobe Media Encoder. If it takes a while to open, don't worry, it is normal. First, we choose the codec. In this case, we will use H264. This codec exports the video in MP4, the most universal and compatible format for the web and social media. Regarding the output resolution, we can choose the match source option, high or medium bitrate. This way, we avoid mistakes and export the video to the same size we worked on in the project. If we choose the high bitrate option, our file will weigh more. You will not notice any difference in quality, so you can select any of the two options. Finally, we choose the location to export the video and give the file a name. To finish, click on the play button here. As simple as that. Once exported, you can upload the video to your favorite social media. Subscribe to our channel and look at our animation courses in the description.